In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner. Operate all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back by clicking on the top right corner. Then select bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Select Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!